Hi, everyone, and welcome to episode 6 of our Habit series. I'm so happy you're here with me today. My name is Rebecca, and today we're diving into something incredibly simple, yet surprisingly powerful: taking a short walk without your phone. Yes, you heard that right. No scrolling, no calls, no music, no notifications. Just you, your body, and the world around you. Before we begin, please take a second to subscribe to the channel, tap the bell icon, and leave a like if this resonates with you. Your support means a lot and helps me keep sharing content that brings calm and intention into our everyday lives. We live in a time of constant connection. Our minds are always on, even when our bodies are trying to rest. And here's the question: is it possible you're missing out on your own life because you're always in a screen? Walking without your phone is not about being trendy. It's about giving yourself a tiny daily reset. In just 15 to 20 minutes, you can reconnect with yourself without distractions. During a phone-free walk, your nervous system gets to breathe, your digestion improves, your creativity and clarity come back online, and most importantly, you come home to yourself. It's like opening a window in a stuffy room. Fresh air flows in. Let's talk about what you may notice during such a walk. You might feel bored. You might feel exposed. You might instinctively reach for your pocket. And remember, there's no device there. But then, something shifts. You start to notice the colors around you. A breeze brushing your face. The rhythm of your steps. Maybe even your heartbeat. You become real again. Not just a scrolling thumb or a tired brain. You become present. And this moment of presence, it creates space for joy, for stillness, for a tiny bit of healing. Now let's be honest. It sounds easy, but it's not. At first you might feel restless, like something's missing. That's normal. That feeling is space. And that space is where real rest begins. Here are a few gentle tips to help you get started. Start small. Begin with just 5 or 10 minutes. Around your block. No music, no headphones, not even a podcast. Let silence be your companion. Leave your phone at home. Not in airplane mode. Actually leave it behind. It's uncomfortable at first, but also deeply freeing. Choose a regular time, maybe right after breakfast or right when you finish work. Anchor into your body. Notice your breath. Feel your feet touching the ground. Smell the air. Hear the birds, the traffic, the wind. Let your senses guide you. This isn't a walk for cardio or steps. It's a walk for your soul. And yes, I've been there too. I used to think I couldn't even go around the block without my phone. I thought, what if someone needs me? Or, what if I miss something important? But the first time I walked without it, I noticed the sound of birds I had never heard before, the smell of fresh bread from a bakery I hadn't seen, a child laughing in a stroller, and that single moment lifted my entire mood. That's when I realized, when we remove the noise, we begin to hear life again. Over time, this walk becomes more than just a break. It becomes a ritual, a sacred moment in your day. You might start using this walk to breathe through a tough emotion, think through a decision without pressure, reconnect with your creativity, or simply be. And something else happens too. When you're no longer distracted, your body starts to talk to you. You begin to feel your energy, your tension, your tiredness. This is not always easy, but it's honest. It's you. And when you listen to yourself like that, even for a few minutes, it changes how you show up in your day. You become more grounded, more compassionate, less reactive. Now let's take it a step further. Try walking in silence through a park or natural area. Let the sounds of nature be your background. Or, walk with a gentle question in your mind, like, what do I need right now? What am I avoiding? What could I let go of today? Don't chase an answer. Just walk with the question. You might be surprised what comes up. Now I want to ask you something important. What would your life feel like if you gave yourself 15 minutes of peace every day? 15 minutes with no pressure to produce, to respond, to react. How would your mind feel? How would your relationships feel? What version of yourself would slowly emerge? And now, imagine millions of people doing this every day. Less stress, less noise, less hurry, more presence, more kindness, more connection. That's the world I want to help create. So if this message resonated with you, I truly invite you to be part of this shift. Try a walk tomorrow, just once. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to go far. You just have to go without your phone. If you do, let me know in the comments. Write one line like, I tried it. Or, this was harder than I thought, but worth it. I read every comment, and they mean so much to me. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. It's a small gesture, but it allows me to keep making these episodes. It shows me that these ideas matter to you. And when you subscribe, like, and share, this tiny movement of mindful living grows. So thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for giving yourself this time. And thank you for being part of something quieter, slower, and more human. I'll see you in the next episode. And until then, walk gently, breathe deeply, and stay close to yourself. With care, your Rebecka.